How can it be possible that despite your best effort to adjust the drawer fronts, you just cannot make those two gaps to be the same? In this situation, the upper one and the lower one has been adjusted all the way down, and the one in the middle all the way up, but nevertheless, it is not good. So that's the topic of this video, and I will show you what the problem is and how to fix it. Let's get started. So what is the problem here? It could, of course, be me doing something wrong, but it could also be something with these three drawer fronts. And I'm not going to waste your time telling you how long it took for me to solve this issue. But the problem is with the drawer in the middle. That is the one that is causing all these problems. And here's why. So when we are assembling a 10-inch drawer, it's important to not only check that the label is at the bottom of the drawer. No, you also need to check that when you put those on where you want them, that means in the upper two holes, here and here, because it's not the lower drawer, you need to check this distance. And in this case, it's too small. And that is simply because this sticker should have been over there. So how do you know what too small is? Well, if you turn it around and said, now I'm gonna turn the drawer around, see? Now this distance is bigger than it was just before. So in this case, this sticker is at the top and not at the bottom. And I know it's been an issue with Ikea for quite some time that especially this door, the Enköping has that issue. So pay attention, because if you put this on wrong, it won't fit well in your cabinet when you put it in with the other drawers. In case you're using the 10-inch drawer front with the low Maximera hardware, you do not have those brackets to check the distance between them. So in that case, you just measure the distance between the holes, as I show you here, and then the biggest distance, that is where the bottom of the drawer will be. So pay attention to that, and you will assemble the drawer correctly.